Let's go to Ann in St. Cloud. Ann, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi. My question basically, we're thinking about filing bankruptcy simply because we went through a foreclosure in 2013, and we just found out through the IRS that we owe $29,000 in taxes because of the foreclosure, because the bank did a 1099-A, abandonment of property, which it wasn't abandoned.
Got it.
So if we do bankruptcy for all of that, would that take away?
So, Ann, that is a great question. I'm going to turn you over to Attorney Jim Monroe, but first I want to bring people up to speed, and Jim, you can help me with this. When there's a foreclosure against you, or when you have done a short sale, the lenders will notify the IRS with a 1099 that in fact there has been taxable income to Ann and people who have been in that situation. Up until a few years ago, Congress had waived that as taxable income, but that expired, I think, about 2 years ago.
Yeah, that's only for homestead. What she's looking at is under Section 108 of the Internal Revenue Service Code, which is forgiveness of debt. And there are two ways you can get out of paying taxes on forgiven debt. One is to show that you were insolvent at the time of the event, and number two is bankruptcy. So if you filed a bankruptcy within the year that the 1099 was issued or within the taxable year, it's likely to be discharged.
All right, well, let's go back to Ann. Ann, what year did your foreclosure happen?
2013, and no, we didn't file that year.
Well, when did you get the 1099?
We got it that year.
Jim, I want to confirm, their foreclosure happened in 2013. That created taxable income to them when that foreclosure happened. She can't go back now and write that out in bankruptcy?
Well, actually, it's not the foreclosure. It's when the mortgage company eventually does a deficiency. Okay. That is, they go back and they actually say, we're writing this off. Now, they could have done it in 2014, but unfortunately, we're sitting here in 2015. So she now has taxable income, and if the IRS has assessed the taxable income and said that they owe it, then we're a little bit out of luck. We're out of time. But she may want to consider, how much did she say it was? It was like $29,000?
I think it was $29,000, yes.
Wow, in taxes?
Yeah.
Or income. You may want to consider looking at the possibility of going into Chapter 13, where you get to pay the taxes off within a period of time without penalty or interest. Or number two, if the taxes eventually gets more than 3 years old, you may be able to just charge them by using a Chapter 7.
All right. So, Ann, the conclusion is that there is still hope for you. And, Ann, the best way for you to handle it may be to contact Jim Monroe at his office next week. Jim, tell Anna how she might reach you.
You can call my office and at 407-872-7447. We'll take a look at the situation. We offer a free consultation, and we'll tell you what we think. It may be a matter of just waiting a little bit or filing.